Welcome everybody to another episode of Go-Kart Academy, sponsored by 893 Motorsports. We're here over at AMP, Atlanta Motorsports Park, and here's a quick review of the brand new 2020 Praga Dragon Evo 2 adult kart. Looks great.
Dude, this thing is, I'm loving this front brake system. This is amazing. The accents with the carbon fiber are super cool. You guys get a great shot of this new steering wheel. White, I love the white, but man, it gets dirty.
I'm surprised they didn't go with the newer Nassau cover. They went with the old school Nassau here, but it does have the nice carbon fiber accents, which is really cool.
This is that 506 bodywork that we also deal with on other karts.
Oh, that's true too. Right. And it's got the front brakes.
Yeah, so I think this is more indicative of this is going to be a shifter or mostly a shifter kart using for the front brakes, because tag karts usually don't run them. So
awesome. Well, let's give you guys a quick review and rundown of the Praga Monster Evo 2.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it, guys.
Or go-kart enthusiast. Actually, when it comes to the 893 Motorsports team, both Jonathan and myself have driven on this Dragon Evo 2, the last year's generation. As well as we currently have one where Jonathan's dad drives it. It's a great kart. It works really, really well. Here are some of the main features of the Dragon Evo 2. It comes with a tubular frame, 30 by 2 millimeters. It has a white bodywork and supports the 506 model CIK FIA homologated requirements. Now, we've talked about this all the time, and of course, we're not huge fans of white bodywork because it's harder to clean, but it depends on your style needs. It has hydraulic brake systems, which are also CIK FIA homologated, and the steering wheel is 330 millimeters. It's the M5R steering wheel with an oval handle. It comes with magnesium wheels that are 5 inches by 132 millimeter fronts and 212 millimeter rears. It comes with racing seats that obviously are adjustable. You can get them from extra small to all the way up to adults. The axle is 50 by 1030 millimeters, and it comes with aluminum pedals, which are adjustable up to 8 positions. The fuel tank is 8.5 liters, and the spindles are 25 millimeters with 10 millimeter kingpins and camber caster system. The wheelbase on the XS1 Dragon Evo 2 is 1045 millimeters. On the XS3, it's 1050 millimeters, and the DD2, it's 1055 millimeters. This Dragon Evo 2 can run in the KZ, KZ2, OKJ, OK, or the Rotex Junior, Senior, or DD2 events. Some of the standard equipment that comes with the Dragon Evo 2 is ventilated and floating brake discs, a camber caster regulation system, mod.css, and M5 steering wheel with an oval handle. Obviously, it comes with the racing magnesium and aluminum rims and the spindle model R. There are optional equipment that you can get with this, with the carbon fiber floor plate, which is pretty cool, universal adjustable footrests, magnesium components, adjustable steering wheel hub for tag categories, which is something that we've recently tried out, the new adjustable steering wheel. We're not quite sold on it just yet. It is cool that it is adjustable. However, it adjusts it so it's almost too straight up and down. And so it's one of the things that we've been working on, as well as toe alignment disc kit. Again, this Dragon Evo 2 is a great kart for any adult that wants to get into the world of karting. However, there are many other options out there. Do your diligence, do your real research, and have fun, guys.
So I hope you guys enjoyed our quick review of this brand new 2020 Praga Monster Evo 2 adult kart. It looks fantastic.
This is Dragon Evo 2.
A Dragon Evo 2. What did I say? Monster. Did I say that last time?
Yeah, Monster's for the Cadet.
The guys. Cadet. This is the Dragon, guys. What do you guys think about the Dragon?
It's dude, it's cool. I think it's really interesting how they went with this bodywork here. The sticker kit. It's different on each side. It gives depth, man. It's pretty innovative. It's definitely cool.
Definitely looks right. And actually, one of the things that I love the most about this kart is an actual carbon fiber chain guard. Look at that. think it's real carbon fiber. It might be plastic.
No, that's plastic.
It's a no, just kidding. It's not carbon fiber. It looks like
carbon fiber. No, for sure. It's definitely aesthetically, man. The carbon weave is everywhere. It is. It's super cool. I mean, I do like it. Less white. I don't like the clean white.
Yeah, so if you guys have seen our WD-40 versus low tool cleaning, then you guys know that we really don't like cleaning white karts or white side pods. So more black, the better. So thanks for joining us, guys, for this quick review of this, not monster, but Dragon Evo 2 2020 Praga adult kart. See you guys out on the track.
We'll catch you out there, guys.